When we first started making an emergency fund, it was really kind of annoying. It was so annoying. It was really annoying because I had to like cut back. I had to figure out like, all right, how do I stick this money in an emergency fund? Wasn't very thrilled about it, as you can tell. But over time, it got easier to do it. It got easier to set aside the money into an emergency fund and just auto-populate that fund. And that is the thing with an emergency fund, is you have to automate it. If you automate an emergency fund, it's so much easier if you automate it, because now you're not being like, oh, I don't want to give out the money. It's just gone. You don't see it. And then just like you have lifestyle creep that goes up, you have lifestyle creep kind of in reverse, because now you don't have the money available to you. It's not in the bank account, so you don't see it. And you kind of forget that the emergency fund exists until like your car breaks down, and then you're like, oh wait, I have an emergency fund. I can just pay for that. And you use your card that gives you Sky Miles, so then you have even more benefits, and you pay that card off right away. So there is a really big benefit to an emergency fund. Is it fun? No, it's not. It's not fun cutting back in different areas. It will help you out in the long run. It'll be so much easier when that car breaks down, because if you have a car, it's guaranteed to break down. If you have a house, it's guaranteed to have a leak, or the air conditioner to go out, or the furnace to go out. Whatever it is that will cost you thousands of dollars, I guarantee that is something you can count on in your lifetime happening. And when you have the emergency fund available to you, it makes it so much easier to deal with, and you're not stressing out about how on earth you're going to pay for it.